Waar say something kan het. Guys, beep the comment. These guys. Hey, out to him.
Hey.
Is it something? Switch off. Because a smoke detector, because you need clean first. Wash this. Our next part is the thing cleaning. Look guys, this is not a smoke detector. Did you know how popular the problem is? It's a smoke detector. Ik wil smoke get even alarm off. This is when it's clean the first one. Start the messaging. Look. So off. You see something? You say he's a viezigheid. Oh no. I put the smoke setup first. Check. If we check, has been fixed. And no messaging. I say something off. And the green does say fault. And when turn is automatic. Read them back. Not click it. Try again. I said that's a scorer. Yeah. Code 8. Do you say something? I can't, the students remove. They say zone 1. I need on a fault. No, they moved to the carpet. I switch off. Also, I want to disconnect or something. It's time with something to connect. That's only one. It is easy to connect it. Code 8. It's not blinking. Did you know how popular problem is? If I don't have a blink, it's someone blinking. If a red, look, it's not the red. If a flash a blinking red, it's so not anymore. Some popular problem. How do you use it? Can you steal? Can you use a reset and back? No. If I reset, then if a system and off. If I press reset, let's say comment, and I move to that in. If I click it, it's back. Back to normal. Nice.